shot through the sky. I'm stuck on the ground.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sean here, and in today's video we're going to be making a very healthy ice cream, which is tender coconut ice cream, which is very easy to make. So let's go. So we have 1/4 cup of tender coconut chunks and 1/3 cup of coconut milk. We have 3/4 cup of tender coconut water. We have about 1/3 cup of condensed milk, and finally about 3/4 cup of whipping cream. So first we're gonna blend up some tender coconut chunks and some tender coconut water together. I have mixed the tender coconut flesh and the tender coconut water together. And the next step is we're gonna add in the whipped cream. And then some condensed milk. After beating it for a while, we're gonna add in the coconut milk. And then
now we're gonna add the blended mixture and then beat it for a while. Now we're gonna add in some tender coconut pieces which are a little bit soft and has been chopped up, and give it a quick mix. Now we can transfer the ice cream into any tray which has some sort of a cap. One, you can freeze it overnight or for about 6 to 8 hours. And presto! Our tender coconut ice cream is ready.